Huebsch Command is where we have networked all the washers and dryers in the laundromat, and through a gateway, we have access to that with an internet portal. The advantage of that is that we can see a tremendous amount of information that was never available before.
The amount of information and data that we can pull on our customers gives us one more layer of information to help us better serve the customer.
You can monitor your equipment, seeing the revenue. You could have somebody remotely collect money for you and know to the dollar how much that deposit should be and make adjustments on the fly if you need to do that.
I can get a report on the 10 last average drain times for every washer, every dryer, so I can identify problems before they become problems.
It gives them complete control over what's going on in their store without having to be in the store. It all can be done remotely.
We have Huebsch Pay. You can pay on your phone, and it's something that makes it super easy as an investor to be able to have multiple stores and not have to go by each and every store on a daily basis. They can sit there and operate the store from their phone, their computer.
Gone are the days of counting quarters and going clearing boxes. The amount of infrastructure and people you need in order to manage that does not make it scalable, does not make it efficient. So now we're able to leverage technology to make our operations more efficient so that we can pass on the value to our customer.
Huebsch Command makes it very easy, and the ability to have a whole store networked and be able to accept credit cards for essentially little or no extra money is industry changing.